So recording has started. This is screen number 1, screen 2, screen 3 and 4. Okay? Anshul Pathak, how are you? Hi.
All good, sir.
Good. All good? Good. Okay. How was your exam, by the way?
Sir, easy.
Easy. Did you enjoy writing the paper?
Sir, there was only one problem with me. I don't know if everybody had it.
Huh?
In chemistry, the questions which were meant to be written in 2 marks were given in 1 mark question and vice versa.
Never mind.
Yes, sir.
So life's like that.
Yes, sir.
बड़ी बड़ी स्कूलों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है. But you should ask me also, no, in written, that sir, how was your experience while checking? When I'm asking how was your experience writing, somebody should ask me also, no?
Sir, how was your experience?
Horrible. In a way that some of the PDF file came in JPG file, so images also in some of the PDF file, in orientation is horizontal, so I have to tilt my hand. I'm checking on my laptop, I cannot make my laptop move, no, so I have to tilt my head. If somebody is looking at me when I'm checking your paper, you will find that I have gone mad. ऐसा लैपटॉप की स्क्रीन में ऐसा टेढ़ा क्यों देख रहा है ये आदमी. ओके. किसी का तो ऐसा था कि सबसे लास्ट पेज पहला है, फिर सेकंड लास्ट पेज, और सबसे एंड में फर्स्ट पेज आता है. कहीं पर कुछ क्लैरिटी ही नहीं है, कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है क्या है. तो आंखें फाड़ फाड़ के, तो आंखें हाथ में आ गई थी, फिर वापस फिट किया. तो एक ये था मगजमारी. नेवर माइंड. बट वन थिंग इज सरप्राइजिंग that these answers are matching, textual answers are matching. बस सही है. Text, answers are matching word to word, perfect. And suddenly that memory span from Gajini, everybody has become Shakuntala Devi, right? From short-term memory to long-term memory. Sudden spike, say Corona and staying at home with your parents and having home food instead of easy food, maybe it has boosted your memory like anything. And checking in that way, that was little kind of it was a nice experience. That word to word matching, what to check then? टिक टिक टिक, मार्क फुल आ रहे हैं, फुल टॉप गियर में गाड़ी जा रही है, जाने दो. प्रॉब्लम तो सिर्फ वो MCQ में होता है. डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है तो वहाँ पर तो कैसे कॉपी होगा, सामने टेक्स्ट बुक है, ड्रॉ तो खुद ही करना पड़ेगा. वहाँ पर आई डोंट नो कोई लेबर ढूंढ के लाया हो कि भैया ये रे डायग्राम ड्रॉ करके दे देना, भगवान तेरा भला करेगा, इधर बैठ जा मेरे पास.
Ray diagrams are still easy, but the diagrams in biology are very difficult to draw.
सर पूरा डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम ड्रॉ करना था.
ऐसा तो क्या करें, ये तो लाइफ है. तो थोड़ा सी in physics you got easy diagram, so in biology you got different diagram. In chemistry 1 mark question were asked for 2 mark, 2 marks asked for 1 mark, तो एवरेज इफेक्ट आ गया. ठीक है, चलो हम पढ़ाई के लास्ट टाइम हम कहाँ थे
सर? चैप्टर 11
में कहाँ थे? तिथि, व्हाट डू यू से, हम कहाँ थे? तिथि पटेल, you are on the screen left corner top. Can you tell where we were? थोड़ा टेक्स्ट बुक ढूंढो, धूड़ में निकालो, पहले तो धूड़ साफ करो, उसके ऊपर धूल जम गई होगी. अभी how many of you can tell? Don't tell, when I ask then only you will tell. Okay, what was the last topic of discussion? पेपर में तो कूद कूद के लिखा है सबने, टेक्सचुअल आंसर सब, इतना मेमोरी शार्प था. तो लास्ट टाइम कहाँ तक पढ़े थे वो तो पता ही होगा फिर.
Sir, dispersion of white light by a glass prism.
Yes, तो correct answer, but wrong time. I said when I asked then only. Okay, never mind. Your camera is not working, right? Tithi, why you disappear? Come back.
Sir, network issue.
Network issue. Apurva, how are you?
Great, sir.
You're not smiling, but you're not well.
Sir, there is nothing to smile.
What happened, Apurva?
Sir, this corona.
Then give a smile for corona situation. Right?
I'm sad for the people dying in the country.
Sir, regarding Corona, I have prepared the PPT.
Yeah. Today, 1 o'clock we'll meet. Okay?
Okay, sir.
I'll be sending a link. See, more people are dying on the road because not following the rules and the regulation than because of Corona.
Yes.
It's a very difficult fact to digest. And because of the
Sir, we also have to join in the meeting.
No.
Sir, I was asking that while discussing the question paper, I noticed that some questions, the question number was not appropriate, like it went upside down. So, and for 5 to 6 questions, so will they accept that?
That's okay. We read question number and then accordingly in that corresponding column we put marks. So that is not an issue.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. So dispersion कर रहे थे, right? मेरे screen share किया.
Sir, we finished that.
Okay.
The prism activity, we finished that one.
Okay. So that dispersion was going on. And do you remember what was the story about this diagram?
Yes, sir.
A recombination of spectrum of white light, right? What is the meaning of this whole diagram? If somebody asks you to describe this diagram, what would be your first point? Let me start. As shown in diagram, there are two equilateral prisms. One is upright and second is upside down. What would be the second point?
The light is passing through the two prisms.
So this is white light is made to incident on one of the prism, and then from that prism's opposite face we get spectrum of 7 color with red at the top, violet at the bottom. Okay. Then third point. What would be third point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
जीप को कोरोना हो गया, ऐसे तो बहुत चलती है. This, then you can see the
Sir, जीप
diagram.
लॉकडाउन में है.
लॉकडाउन, जीप लॉकडाउन में है. अच्छा, ये you can say like that these 7 colors are made to incident on second inverted prism, in which these 7 colors will combine, and when they come out from the last phase it turns out as white light. What is importance of this experiment?
So it shows that we, after refracting from a glass prism, again the prism is setted as we get our white light back.
Yes. Or in short, this gives complete proof that really white light is made up of 7 colors. In what way? So if you would have used only one prism, you will get white light getting converted into 7 colors. And with the help of this second prism, you are proving that if 7 colors are made incident on a prism, you can get white light back. Okay? Another very important and beautiful phenomena is rainbow. Right? Rainbow, everybody might have seen.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Which phenomena you will give credit for rainbow?
Rain.
Rain. Then I'll give credit to the water bodies from which.
So
water
one or
evap-
the same thing.
Okay, but then I'll give credit to sun, because sun's heat evaporated water, and that water raised up in the sky. So sun. So shall I say that why rainbow is there? Because of sun. Primarily, which physical phenomena is involved for formation of rainbow? If you have to name only one word, which word you should speak? Phenomena.
Diffusion of light.
Okay. Now see, in the diagram, there is a raindrop. Generally it is not this big, it is very very tiny, but for sake of drawing diagram it is shown bigger. Sunlight is entering into the raindrop, and you could see there are two arrows. It is dispersion of sunlight into 7 colors. Then it meets the opposite end. Now instead of passing through it, it reflects back into the same drop. We call it total internal reflection. What I spoke?
Total internal
Total
reflection.
and
रिफ्लेक्शन. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? रिफ्रैक्शन. Okay, can you see the cursor movement? What is happening out there?
Diffraction of the
Diffraction.
sunlight ray.
Okay, or can say dispersion. And now what is happening here? It is total internal reflection. The light will try to come out. It does come out. So once more refraction. So much more wider spread. So red will be at the top and violet at the bottom. Okay. Now,
Sir,
yes.
we see many droplets or raindrops are there during the rain. So each of them do in a uniform manner.
Yeah, uniform manner. All those which are in a close proximity, they behave same way, and that's why we get this kind of rain. If they'll behave in a random way, all color will mix up and it will look white, so it's meaningless. So,
Sir?
okay, let me finish. This question demands little more explanation. Just hold on for a moment, okay? Now, do you see rainbow formation always, every day, every place?
No, sir.
No, only under certain conditions. So you need to have proper angle at which sunlight rays are entering. You need presence of raindrops at certain height, that too good in number. Then and then only rainbow is seen. Number one. Number two, whenever you have looked at the rainbow, you will find your back is towards the sun. Are you getting my point? Where will you find? you are looking always away from sun, and then only you can see the rainbow. So to make this point clear, I am drawing a diagram and I am starting my VLC here. What happened? Should have played. Can you see what's the error? There are double dots here. Okay. You can see now the notebook page.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This sunlight is entering this way, right? It will disperse like this. Which color will be at the bottom? Violet, red. Now it will reflect like this. This will go like this, and again reflect. So now we are looking at the sky. We are looking this way, right? Sun is here. So this is how it will look like, right? So your back is towards the sun. So whenever you look at, suppose you want to find where is the rainbow, generally it is faint sometimes. So you have to look away from sun, and somewhere in that region of sky you will get sunlight, rainbow. Okay. See what text is writing. Rainbow is natural spectrum. स्पेक्ट्रम का मतलब क्या होता है? We are getting 7 color with your, it is called
Strip
spectrum.
of color.
Yeah, strip of color. It is caused by what? Dispersion of sunlight by water droplets. Okay. Then where it is formed, rainbow is always formed in a direction opposite to that of the sun, right? Now what is happening inside? So these water droplets acts like small prisms. Very important. What they do?
Sir, can I ask you something?
Yes, please.
You said that light refracts uniformly throughout all the raindrops. So why there is an arch form, like a curve?
Why is it like in a curved pattern?
Yes.
So what happens? Look in the notebook. Say here is the observer, and droplets are present all around. Entire sky is filled with droplets, but only few from which light is entering into your eye will give you perception of vision, right? So it will form an arc. A person at different place will also see rainbow, but of different type. So as your place to place, your place will get changed. Rainbow will remain curved, but the position in the sky will get changed, because this is person 1. Person 2 is watching from here. From him rays are entering from another region of the sky, and so it looks like curved. Okay, so it doesn't mean that only these droplets are having this dispersion, refraction and that. Here also these droplets all around are doing the same thing, but problem is that rays are entering into your eyes, and that colorful rays from this region only, and it looks distinct from the background. So we find rainbow present here. Person over here will not see your rainbow, he is seeing his own rainbow. Are you getting me? So each of us are seeing our own rainbow. It is not the same, because droplets from which lights are entering into my eye and droplets from which light is entering into your eye would be different. Okay? Otherwise whole sky will look bigger, no? If all rays are entering into our eye. Okay. What these droplets do? Refract and disperse. What? Sunlight. This is point number 1. So while entering it will disperse, refract. Then what? Reflect it internally. लिखा है, ये हाईलाइट नहीं हो पाएगा मेरे से. And finally refract. तो याद रखना है refraction, reflection and refraction. So how many times refraction happens? I asked a question. Hello? I am all alone in the lab? 2 times. How many times reflection is happening?
1.
1 time. Okay. Okay.
Sir.
हाँ 11:30. हाँ. Okay. So this is essence of it. Due to dispersion of light and internal reflection. This is summary. In short, if you are asked that how do we get rainbow, you will say due to dispersion of light and internal reflection we get rainbow. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
I'll be finding a video and showing it to you next time. Remind me. Okay. Okay. Is this refraction of any other use? By the way, yeah, one more thing. Can you create rainbow at home?
Yes.
I have created.
Yes.
This is work for you. You can do one thing. You can take a torch and spray bottle. You know there is water spray bottle
Yes, sir.
like we use for Collins spray. So you can do one thing. You can remove Collins spray, fill it with ordinary tap water, use that spray torch and arrange it in a special way. You can get Vibgyor in those droplets. I have tried it and it went so nice. You will video shoot it and put it in our classroom. Is it fine?
will it be whole circular?
No, it is not perfect circular, but you can identify that there are 7 colors.
Sir, we can do the same with instead of torch, we can use the sunlight itself. Just we need a spray bottle.
Yeah, but problem with the sunlight nowadays, this ये जो weather will not support. Right?
Yeah,
Sunlight you will not
that's
get. Number one. Number two, you have to let that sunlight enter in a region where there is a shadow. So again there is a problem.
Sir, when I did it with a phone torch, then it was a
Then it was. Hello, somebody was answering and then I couldn't listen it completely. Can you repeat? Okay, so this is assignment for you. Let me see that who does it successfully. You can video shoot it. Okay, make sure that video shooting is not occupying big space. If it is very big, you can compress it. Okay, and send it on either WhatsApp or send it to Google Class. Fine? Say yes, sir.
Sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. This twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Why do stars twinkle?
Sir, can I guess?
Yes.
Sir, as we all know that they are full of the burning and gases and all the stuff. So because of the heat they produce, they have like fire. So from far we can see a ray of light. So we can say it's twinkling.
Yeah, partially that story is correct. That whenever you have got some
Sir,
region,
can I try?
yeah,
Sir, because I think there is refraction happening in the atmosphere.
yeah, okay,
Sir, can I?
yes, yes,
Sir, because there is because there's a change in the intensity of light. So, are simple.
okay. Anybody would like to give an attempt? Okay. Now, what do we mean by twinkling of star? Stars का shining जो है brightness steady नहीं है. It increases, decreases, and keeps on happening. Number one, and if you observe carefully, you will find position is changing, it is wavering, not fixed at its place. Do you think that actually star is switching on and off like LED, or it glows continuously?
It glows continuously.
It glows continuously.
It don't have.
But then why does it give
Yeah.
twinkling effect? Answer is, you might have seen at your home or sometimes on the road during summertime, when road gets heated up during noon, and if you find distant tree or vehicle, you'll find that image is shaking, is not clear. And main phenomena which is playing important role here is refraction. Now, what is refraction? Definition. So, answer was when the light changes from one optically transparent medium to another optically transparent medium of different density, it bends. That is refraction. Okay. So, question arises that when light is passing through air, how refraction could happen? It is not entering into water, light is not entering into the glass, and still there is refraction. How it's possible? Okay. Answer is, Here, the air just above the fire becomes hotter. That air goes higher up.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, I was telling that why rainbow is constant. Like the rain goes on, but the rainbow is constant.
Yeah. So, why rainbow is constant? Let everybody join.
सर मेरी अटेंडेंस बाकी रह गई है.
No, I will take an attendance. I will be taking attendance now. After 10 minutes, you remind me, okay?
Okay.
This time, ના કોઈ ઝઘડો નહીં, કોઈ મારવાનું નથી. Aditi, you are beating your younger brother?
Sir, attendance.
Just hold on. We are 52 so far. Okay. You have to enter your email ID also, okay? Fill up your attendance. See, I'm getting a video recording, so make sure that don't pass on talk to your friends that give your attendance, because it's a proof now. Right now, when you are giving attendance, video recording is still on, so these names are there on the screen. Okay, given?
Yes, sir.
Anybody
No,
left?
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. 1 minute.
Okay, shall I stop now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have I shared my screen with you? No. Okay, now I'll explain. One question was been asked that why rainbow is steady. So we'll understand right now why stars are twinkling, and then we'll get an idea that why rainbow cannot twinkle. Okay. Do you agree that hot air is lighter?
Yes.
Lighter, so less dense than the cooler air above it. Right? Okay.
Sir, how is the hotter air less than the cooler air?
Okay. The question
Because
is.
the kinetic particles are more active in the hotter air.
Yeah, correct. The question I'm repeating, what Vidhan is asking, that how can we tell that hot air is lighter? Okay. Lighter in what sense? Mass. You can do one thing. You can fill, you keep your plastic bottle with cap removed. Maybe it could be thumbs up bottle or your 1 liter mineral water bottle. Keep the cap open and put it in the fridge. Okay, you can put it in the refrigerator. Okay, and then the moment you take it out, cap it. Okay, now it is packed. Inside air is cold. Now as you bring it at the room temperature, slowly you will find there is some crackling sound. Mainly, especially if it is 1 liter mineral water bottle. No? Why? Because the gas, so whatever the air that is filled in the bottle is trying to expand. Why it is trying to expand? Why it will try to expand?
तो आपकी आवाज थोड़ी स्लो आ रही है.
अच्छा, स्ट्रेच हो रही है. ओके. हाँ, ऐसा एक बॉटल ले लो, put it in the fridge, but not steel one. Okay, it should be plastic bottle. Where will you keep it? In the freezer compartment. How long? Half an hour. Okay. Then the moment you take it out, cap it tightly. Wait for few minutes. You will find some crackling sound is coming, and the reason is the inside air, which was very cold, now is getting heated up at room temperature. It will try to expand. So plastic will be pushed outside. Okay. So will that mass of the trapped air remain same or will it change? I'm talking about this bottle. Okay, it is now capped. Say there was 1 gram of gas in it, 1 gram of air. This is very cold. If it is hot, I'm showing a little bigger diagram, it will look bigger to you. It is still capped. What is the mass inside this? Will it be same or different?
Sir, it will be different.
It will be same, not different, because you are not uncapping it. Cap is still on. No outside gas, outside air came in, and inside air did not went out. So quantity remained same, 1 gram only. But here volume is less, and here volume is more. Okay. But if I open the cap, okay, then again it will come to normal size, and again cap it back, open, and then again cap. Now it is going to be 0.9 gram. Now these two have same volume, these two have same volume, but this was cold, weight was more. This is hot, weight is now less, because 0.1 gram gas went out. Are you getting my point? So we say this is heavy and we say this is lighter. So hot gas is lighter and cold gas is, or cold air is heavy. And that's why I asked a question in 10th standard to many of you, that when you light up diya in your temple, the flame always points upwards, right or wrong?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
How does that flame knows that it has to point upwards? Maybe diya is showing કે તમારે પણ ઉપર જ જવાનું છે. Look at God, not look at me. અપૂર્વ?
Yes, sir.
Sir, because hot air rises upwards.
Okay. Hot air rises upwards.
Upwards.
So along with that flame also points upwards. Now why hot gas rises upward? Because they are lighter. This reason. Why they are lighter? Because they are hot. Why they are hot? It is diya.
Because they are lighter.
Right? So what would happen, that if this is the flame, let's say it was somehow tilted. Now hot air, whatever the air which comes in contact, becomes light, and so it moves up. This air comes in contact, gets heated up, becomes light and vents up. So there is an upward flow of air. So finally, how the flame would look like? ऐसा दिखेगा flame. This is the wick. Are you getting my point? Now air will symmetrically get heated up and move up. Air get heated up and move up. So conclusion, hot air. Yes.
Very low.
What?
Voice is very low. I can't hear you.
Is this problem faced by all?
No, sir.
What
It's
is low?
perfect.
No, sir, it's all good.
Okay, now it is okay.
But sir, we are wearing headphone and voice is at very low minimum. Still we are like.
Yes, sir, it's okay.
I'm screaming in your ears.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now it is fine.
Yes, it's cool.
Yes, sir.
See.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, it is now.
So hot air is less heavy. It is less dense. It has got less refractive index. And it goes up. Cold air is more heavy. Okay, it is more dense. It has got more refractive index and it goes down. Okay, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir.
एक मिनट जस्ट होल्ड ऑन हाँ चेयर ले लो ना हाँ अंदर बैसो आप हाँ चेयर पर बैसो ना हाँ चेयर ले लो ना so are you all clear that what happens to hot air and what happens to cold air?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now back to text.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hot air is lighter, less dense than the cold air above it. What about refractive index? Slightly less than that of cooler air. Okay, now do you expect that up in the sky at very higher altitude this condition remains fixed or it keeps on changing?
It keeps on changing.
It keeps on changing, random. Okay. And that means now refraction is also random. So apparent position of the object as seen is changing. So now look in the notebook. So there was a star here and you are looking, okay, and this is the atmosphere. Sometimes light is entering like this, it is bending a little and entering into your eye. Sometimes it deviates away, so you don't see or the amount of light becomes less. Sometimes somehow it travels straight and enters to your eye, so brightness is more. Sometimes deviation is in different direction. So refraction, we can write atmospheric condition. What is happening to? It is changing. Up and down means it is changing. So refraction is changing. Agreed or not?
Yes, sir.
So the path followed is also changing, and that gives twinkling effect. It doesn't appear steady to us, right? Agreed with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, star is a celestial object. Have you ever seen moon, twinkle twinkle little moon? ऐसा पोएम सुना कभी?
No, sir, cause moon is cold, like comparative cold in nature.
ऐसा तो नहीं है. It is one part of the moon is very hot, burning hot, and one part is terribly cold, freezing cold. So whether it is a star or moon, rays are coming from sky. They are entering into our eyes. Rays are entering, and that makes us see. Why moon is not twinkling?
Because it don't have its own light.
So what? But light is there, no?
So because it's very near to us.
Moon is near, but compared to our Earth, objects on the Earth, moon and star both are relatively far, much beyond the atmosphere of the Earth. Answer is moon is so big that even if it is moon, you can say moon is made up of so many tiny dots, like star is a tiny dot. Now when so many tiny dots are combined, some are growing brighter, darker, brighter, darker. On an average, what we see? Average brightness, and that is steady. But there is a pin-like object for us. If it is changing its place, it becomes easy to see, right? If you look at this pin, this is the tip of my pen. If it is moving a little, you can make it out that it is moving, right? But there is a truck, suppose. Truck is moving by the same amount. You will find very difficult to identify whether the truck is shaking or not. So this is pin and this is truck. Pin moves, you can easily see that pin is moving. But if truck is moving, you will say truck is stationary, it is not moving. Okay, so moon being big in size, you can think of it is made up of so many tiny dots. Rays coming from all these dots deviates, gives twinkling effect. But as it is a collection of so many dots, we find that brightness is steady. So that part is written in text. Okay.
Sir, there can be another reason as well.
Yes, what it could be?
Sir, we can say that moon is nearby, so the reflection will be same, but हम लोग नज़दीक है तो we can get the more ratio and मतलब नज़दीक और दूर होगा तो the rays of lights will
Okay, I'll correct
yeah.
it. Look at this diagram. this is atmosphere, sorry, this is earth, and this is surrounding, this is atmosphere. ये खेल कब शुरू होता है? मैजिक, when rays are entering into the atmosphere of earth. ना यहाँ पर किसी का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ज़्यादा, किसी का कम, वो शुरू हुआ, यहाँ पे रिफ्रैक्शन स्टार्ट हुआ, नॉट बिफोर दैट. तो ये मून है और यहाँ पे स्टार है. तो रिफ्रैक्शन फिनोमिना इज सेम. नाउ व्हेन यू से मून इज क्लोजर, यू मीन टू से मून इज क्लोजर कंपेयर्ड टू स्टार, इट इज क्लोजर, बट फॉर अस दे आर बियॉन्ड अवर अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर. Similarities, rays are entering into Earth atmosphere for moon also, for star also. What causes the major difference? The star is tiny object, so its change in position is noticeable. Moon is so big compared to that there is slight change in position is definitely there, but it is not noticeable. Okay? So here the distant part is not involved. Both are beyond Earth atmosphere. Fine? Okay. Yes.
So I wanted to know that how total reflection takes place in some light.
Your voice was so broken, I couldn't hear.
Am I audible?
No, not yet.
So am I audible now?
Yeah, partly. Just give it a try.
Okay.
Tell me what the question was.
Now?
No, okay, you can do one thing. Hold on. Don't leave the meeting. Okay, at the end when we have got less participants, no? Maybe at the time we'll be able to talk. Okay, just in the meanwhile hold on. So we'll continue with the twinkling of stars next time. Okay, you all go through this topic given in the book. Okay, and the questions
Sir,
are
I have a
posting.
doubt.
Yeah, those who have got doubts, stay back. Rest of you, feel free to say goodbye to me.
Sir, but there are bigger objects, bigger stars than moon also.
Yeah, but for us they are so far, no? Actually, sun and moon both looks of same size, and that is very weird. Actually, sun is much more massive than or bigger than the moon. But the distance plays an important role, making the sun smaller and size is more or less same as that of moon. But there are all the stars which you look in the sky, no, they are sometimes 10 times more massive than the sun, but they look tiny to us because distance is very high. Okay?
Sir, I was asking that can you please explain me one more time that why there is a lag while hearing the doubt I asked.
Yeah, the question was been asked that whenever there is a thunderclap in the sky during monsoon time, we see at the light first, and after a while the sound is heard. Why is it happening so? That was the question, right? Now,
No, sir. I actually asked that while talking to someone,
yeah,
why don't we see the lips move first and then
yeah. So answer that. Logic is still the same. The question is, when somebody is speaking to you in front of you, why is not happening that lips movement is seen first and sound is heard later on? Why there isn't a gap, right? Vidhan. Okay. Let's say this is speaker, sound. Okay. This is a woofer. Woofer moves back and forth. You might have experienced, right? Or say there are lips. So lips are moving up and down, and you are hearing it here. Distance involved is, let's say, 1 meter. Okay. Speed of sound is, let's say, consider 300 meters per second for convenience. Actually it's 330, but I'm rounding it up to 300 meter per second. Now you know T equal to d by v, right? So how long it will take? Lips are moved and sound is heard. Your sound waves has to travel from lips to ears 1 meter distance, so 1 by 300. So how long it will take? 0.033 second, right? Okay, and this ds. Okay, now speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Time taken by light, I'm writing L, T light equal to distance travel is 1 meter and 3 into 10 raised to 8. So this is 0.33 into 10 raised to 8. So this 3.3 into 10 raised to minus 7. This is 0.1234563 seconds. Right? This is time taken by light waves coming out from lips and reaching you, right? And this is 0.33 seconds. What is the gap? Very, very small. Human ears cannot detect 1/10 second no delay hoy, then you can identify. Now this is very, very small. You can say that lip movement can be directly seen instantly, because light speed is very, very high. It will reach your eyes very fast, but sound wave will reach your ears, it will take 0.033 seconds. But again, this interval is so small that human ears cannot detect. Understood, Vidhan?
Yes.
Okay, now I have got some work to attend and I need to say goodbye to you. Now I am saying goodbye, okay? All the questions will attend later on.
Sir?
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, can I show what logic I was talking about?
Yes. Yeah, Apurva,
Sir?
you can do one thing. Hello, Apurva. Can you hold?
Yes, sir.
Can we discuss in next
Yeah,
meeting
sure,
first
sir.
time? Okay.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye, sir.
Bye, goodbye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
I'm ending the meeting for all, okay? Goodbye, all of you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.